Next, we'll be setting up your calendar and integrating that, as well as um, setting up your user availability as well. So to navigate to that, we're going to click on settings. We're going to click on my profile, and then we're going to scroll to the bottom here. And then we'll see the calendar settings section here and the user availability section below it. So here we want to integrate your calendar in order to be able to book and check availability. So we're going to click on add new, and then you can click on the calendar of your choosing. I am with Google, so I will hit on the connect button for the Google Calendar. And then up will populate your integrations section. And then you will click on sign in to your Google. Then you want to click on your associated calendar for your business. You will want to click on connect your location's Google account here. You want to choose your business. We want to click continue. Lead Connector wants access to your Google account. We want to allow. Okay, let's close this box. Which business do you want to link to this location? All right. Then once you closed the last box, you will be brought to be able to click on the type of account that you can select from. So let's click on this X up here so we can see a little bit better. Okay, so this brings us back to the page that we started from inside integrations, where now we're at Google account, and then now it should have your business email address for the Google account that it is associating itself with. All right, so now we want to click on select the account that we're associating it with. So we're going to click our company name for select property. We can leave that as is. And then for select MCC account, we'll leave that as is as well. And then we will hit connected. It will already be connected once we close that box. So now we're going to go back to our profile. And then we're going to go back down to the bottom here. And now you'll see that your calendar is connected for your business account. Now, if you want to connect your video conferencing as well too, you can add that as well too. I use Zoom. So I will click on add new. I will connect to my Zoom account here, and then I will log into my Zoom account in order to connect it. I use Google to sign in with mine, so I don't have to use a password. If you need to use a password, you can enter that information in here with your email address that you would associate your Zoom account with that you want to use for here, and the associated password. So I'm going to log in with my Google account. So I'm going to click on Google. I'm going to click on my business. Says you are about to add lead connector. And then you're going to click on allow. And now Zoom is connected now for video conferencing. Below this, you want to make sure that you add in your availability times as well too, so that way it'll pick it up on the calendar for your booking times. So what we'll do here is put in the information that is associated for whatever hours that you want to use for your working time. Okay, so for your meeting location, if you have a Zoom account that you want to connect it to, you can connect Zoom. You can connect it to Zoom, or you can just leave it as custom, where you can create it as is. I'll connect mine to Zoom. You have to click on the drop down box again, and then good grief, y'all. Click on Zoom. You want to make sure that you click on your time zone, so that way it will update it for everyone else. If your clients or any other person that you are scheduling your meetings with is not in your specific time zone, you will make sure that you click on your associated time zone. Mine is New York, so I'll click on New York. For available times, you want to make sure that you add in your specific range of time that you will be on the clock. So mine would be, let's say it's from 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. You want to click on 5, go over here on the right hand side of this drop down box and make sure you click on PM. It will red out if it does not like the convention that you put in, and then it won't let you save it at that point. So make sure that you change this for Monday through Friday. If you have a Sunday time or a Saturday time that you want to include, make sure that you check this in the box above, and it will populate in the area below for you to change the times. So I will not be working on Sunday or Saturday, so I will leave those boxes unchecked. I also do not work on Fridays, so I will uncheck Friday, and then I will change my time periods below. So it will be 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. going all the way across. Excuse me. All right. And then that's changed. Let's change it for Wednesday as well too. Make sure we click on our PM. 9 a.m. Just realized that was 9 a.m. as well. 9 a.m. for Thursday as well to 5 p.m. And then we click on update availability. And then we've updated our profile.